I am so mad at myself. I just missed it on camera barely, but we just had a bear run through our campsite and it was the second closest I've ever been to a bear, but I'm so mad I missed it. It was a smaller one, but still we got to see everyone chasing them off and blowing their whistles and stuff. That shit was wild.
Dude, there's a bear.
And I fucking missed it.
We'll probably see another one though. Probably see another one. That's crazy shit, dude. It's nuts.
The park rangers here are really good about keeping on top of it. If they hear air horns and stuff and bells start going off, they head towards the campsite and chase the bears off. But yeah, that was nuts. Hi Riley. What are you doing? Wishing you did. What did you do?
There was a bee.
Where?
It was over there. It attacked me and Piper. We're okay though.
I'm happy you're okay.
Yay!
What you doing?
What are we making?
Sandcastle.
Okay, put it in here. We need more. Get your little shovel.
No, no.
Or do you want to hold the bucket?
I'll hold the bucket first.
Okay, I use the shovel.
You use the shovel. Put sand on us. Dirt. Put dirt on this.
Now pat it down. Pat, pat, pat.
Up, up, up.
Good job. Okay, ready? Ta-da!
Guys,
What you got?
peanuts.
Ooh.
Get rid of them.
Did you show Maddie your fingernails?
No.
Show me your fingernails. Oh.
Have you heard about summer snow? When it falls on you, your blood runs cold. Don't you sweat your pretty skin, 'cause it melts away for it sinks in. And you dream about this very night, when the moon looks down the summer sky. Could it be the morning of the spring, when the sea runs dry and start to sing?
Christina is such a badass. She paddleboards every single year, even 2 years ago when she was 8 months pregnant with Riley. All right, we're attempting to build the largest sandcastle on the beach right now, which shouldn't be hard because there are currently no sandcastles on the beach right now.
Sand. This sand hurt.
Yeah. Oh, gee. Oh no! Okay, we can save it. Let's go.
That didn't work.
So the sandcastle is a total fail.
Yeah, it got windy, and because we haven't built sandcastles in like 5 years,
It didn't work.
yeah, no.
From the sky, on the valley, down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live.
I didn't know there were snakes here. Something else to be afraid of in the middle of the night.
Yep.
And her from the sky, on the valley, down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing.
perspective angle.
What?
It's Molly.
Oh my!
Let me tell you what I did the other night, though. No, listen. The other night, I I have a bug zapper. I have a personal bug zapper. Look, and it has mosquitoes in it. Can you see them? Yeah, it's been saving my life lately.
What happens when you touch him?
Jesse touched it and he got zapped.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
don't touch it.
No, he touched it. I said, hey, Jesse, we stuck sticks in it and it didn't work. You stick human flesh in there?
Stick a wet stick in there.
You stick a wet stick in there. I'm not sticking a wet stick in there.
Dad, stick your wet stick in there.
Oh!
That's nice.
Oh, my glasses? Yeah.
Stay right there with it. Move it around, Haley. You gotta move it up and down.
Oh yeah?
With a fire.
How are you guys this morning?
May.
I don't know what happened. I just laid down. That was it.
Good morning.
What you got? Is that a cookie?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's a big Newton. That's not a cookie. That's a Newton.
Got it?
Yeah, it's just touchy because it's weird weight.
Science.
Today is the 4th of July and we are at Fallen Leaf Lake, which is the smaller lake right across the way from Lake Tahoe, and it is where we happen to be camping. It's pretty awesome.
Oh, good.
Say happy 4th of July!
Happy life.
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts.
Only Christina would make friends with rock people in the middle of the lake and let them use our paddleboard. Oh yeah, we didn't ask his name.
No, that was cool. Yeah.
Hey, we never got your name.
Aaron.
Aaron, nice to meet you. I'm Maddie. That's Christina.
Cool.
The sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun in this moment forever.
I got a big one too.
Wow, that's a pretty big one.
Wait, I want to see it. Don't put it back yet.
I got it.
It's gonna die. Oh, put him in the water.
Every year we try to catch a fish. We finally did.
I love togos.
Riley, what are you doing with the helmet?
You going on a ride? Look at you! Look at me!
Can't wear my hat.
Oh, so cute.
It's about me for $1 back.
Yeah. We have a new addition to our campsite. Some of Christina's family is staying with us, so they're gonna be in this tent right behind mine and Mike's, so more the merrier. Just a little. Oh,